Hey guys, it's Keziah, and today I'm going to make a huge batch of goobers. So keep watching and I'll show you how to make the best no-bake cookies ever. Okay, so I have all my ingredients right here. I have 2 cups coconut oil, I have 3 cups honey, I have 2 cups cocoa powder, and I have 8 cups of oats. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be putting my 2 cups of coconut oil into my pot right now. So just do that. Get all your coconut oil out and put it in your pot. Then what you need to do is you need to put your 2 cups of cocoa powder in as well. So just don't put it in there. And then we need our 3 cups of honey. And you're not going to put in the oats quite yet, so just wait on that. So we're just going to put our 3 cups of honey in. Put it all in there. Once you have your honey in there, just mix your coconut oil, your cocoa powder, and your honey all up. And then we're going to be putting it on the burner. Okay, so now you just need to turn your burner on to about medium heat. And you're just going to stir your 3 ingredients until they start to boil. Once your mixture starts to boil, let it boil for 3 more minutes, stirring it constantly. Turn off your heat and add your oats to the mixture. Mix well. Immediately remove from burner. Spoon mixture onto baking sheets until all the mixture is gone. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to check out my other videos and I'll see you later.